Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorial about how do we repost the inspirable reels on our Instagram story by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is open your Instagram application, and whenever you open it, there will be like a 5 section on your phone, which is the home sections, explore sections. This one is to creating your own content. This one is reels, and this one is profile. Since we want to repost the reels, you just need to go into this part, and now you just need to like scrolling down and find out the reels that you want to send in, that you want to repost and send into all of your followers. And whenever you find it, you just need to go click the symbols and just go click add to your story. You can also adjusting the size by pinch with two of your finger to make it bigger and fulfilling all of the frames. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click add to your story. And now let's check whether the reel is already reposted or not. So you just need to wait until the process here is 100% uploaded. So that's the way how to repost a reels on your Instagram story. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.